Did you know that cows are surprisingly talented when it comes to belching? These gentle giants can let out a burp so powerful it can travel up to 50 yards.
Imagine the surprise of anyone near them when they let one rip.
This burp power stems from their unique digestive system,
Where fermentation creates a gas buildup.
It's not just amusing. Cows' burps release methane, a potent greenhouse gas, making them unexpected contributors to climate change.
So, the next time you see a cow, remember,
Behind that calm exterior lies a belching phenomenon that could echo through the fields.